Welcome to this UCD Access and Lifelong Learning mini masterclass on accessible videos. Using videos in your practice can help to embed universal design as you're providing another means of engagement for students or for your audience. So when producing a video, the first thing you want to think about really is what's your key message? So who are your audience and what way do you think they're going to use this video? Are you going to use it as part of a lecture or within a class? So therefore it's going to be shown to a large group? Or is this something that somebody's going to use alone, whether that's at home or in the library? Are they going to be listening to it on headphones? Are they going to watch it on a small screen like a phone, or will it be on a large screen? So once you've considered your key message, you've thought about who your audience are and how this video might be used, you then need to make sure that everybody in your potential audience can actually access your content. And there are some very simple things that you can get right. So one of them is in relation to text in your videos. So if you are going to use text on the image, you need to make sure that there's good colour contrast. So in this example, you can see here we have this access leader's name, and we've made sure that there is good contrast between that text and the background image. You don't have to make it fully opaque, but it does have to be very clear to the viewer. You'll also want to think about the length of time that appears on the screen, making sure that people do actually have enough time to read that information. Don't put too much text on the screen. Think about somebody who might be reading the captions. If you've also got a big block of text on the video, it's very difficult for them to access both of those at the same time. So think about all of your potential audience. Could there be somebody who's blind or visually impaired, somebody who's deaf or hard of hearing, and how are they going to access the content? So if you have a video with only image and no sound, how would a blind person access that content? Do you have an alternative? And if you've got somebody who's deaf or who's hard of hearing, have you made sure to include captions? So there is one great, simple and free way for you to make sure that you do have captions on your videos. So if you upload your video to YouTube, you'll have access to edit those automatically generated captions there. So I click into one of my videos and I'm going to click Edit Video, the blue button underneath on the right hand side. Once I'm in my video manager tool, I can click the drop down on any of the videos and select subtitle/CC or closed captions. And here I will select the subtitles that I want to edit, and it will bring up the transcript and also show me the timings as to when the text is going to appear on the video. So on the top right hand side, I'll be able to click Edit, and that's where I'll be able to change the text. So if any of the automatically generated captions are incorrect, this is where I can go in and change things. And depending on somebody's accent, it can be accurate or need quite a bit of work. So just make sure you do edit. So that's just one free way for you to have captions available on your videos. If you need your video to be available offline, then you will need to use a tool to put captions on there. So something like Camtasia. So check within your school, your program area, your institution to see if you have access to that software and support from somebody to train you how to use it. Obviously, if you're going to purchase a video, so you're procuring this through a supplier, you need to make sure that accessibility and captions are built into the product that they're going to supply for you. Finally then, just a word on diversity within your videos. UCD, for example, has nearly a third of its students coming from diverse cohorts. We have nearly a third international students. So it's important that the diversity on campus is represented in whatever videos or images that you're producing. Thank you for watching this UCD Access and Lifelong Learning mini masterclass. Watch out for other videos in this series, and you can check out more information on our website www.ucd.ie/all.